Think you're good with money? Stores are using psychology to trick you into spending more. Most people have no idea it's happening. Here are 5 sneaky tricks retailers use on you and how to beat them like a financial ninja. 1. The $9.99 trick. Why is everything priced at $9.99 instead of $10? Because your brain sees the 9 first and thinks it's cheaper. It's called charm pricing, and it's proven to make people more likely to buy, even if it has just 1 cent less. How to beat it? Round it up in your head. $9.99? It's $10. Not a deal. It's just psychology. Number 2, decoy pricing. Ever notice there's a small, medium, and large option? And the medium barely costs less than the large? That's decoy pricing. Example, popcorn at the movies. Small $4, medium $7, large $7.50. The medium exists only to make the large seem like a better deal, and you fall for it every time. How to beat it? Ask yourself, would I still buy the most expensive one if the medium didn't exist? Number 3, scarcity and urgency. Only 2 left. Limited time only. Last chance. It's all designed to trigger FOMO, the fear of missing out. Sometimes it's real, but often it's manufactured pressure. How to beat it? Walk away. If it's a real deal, it'll still be there. If it's not, you saved money. Number 4, store layout psychology. Ever wonder why the milk and bread are always in the back of the store? Because they want you to walk past everything else to get there. Grocery stores are strategically designed to lead you through tempting aisles, snacks, deals, distractions, all before you get what you actually came for. How to beat it? It's shop with a list and stick to it. Get in, get out. The more time you spend inside, the more you spend. Number 5, the free shipping trap. Spend $50 to get free shipping. So you go add random items you didn't plan to buy just to save $5 on shipping? But here's the twist. You just spent $20 more than you needed to. How to beat it? Compare your cart before and after. How to beat it? Compare your cart before and after. How to beat it? Compare your cart before and after. But now you know the tricks and knowledge? That's the real money saver. Hit that like button if you've ever fallen for one of these. Subscribe for more tips that keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. And let me know in the comments which trick surprised you the most.